Do you own a timeshare and you're not getting the use out of it that you thought you would? Perhaps you used to enjoy it, but life has changed and now you're not using it as much as anticipated. Or maybe you're one of the families who were led to believe you could use it for any vacation, but when you've tried to book it, you can't get availability. Both situations translate to the timeshare being a liability because whether you use the timeshare or not, you still have to pay the maintenance fees. The timeshare resale industry is extremely high risk for timeshare owners who are looking to sell. Resale companies ask for an upfront fee with no guarantee that it will be sold. A timeshare's resale value is based on supply and demand. Most of the foot traffic online consists of owners who are looking to sell their timeshares while there aren't many buyers. We have talked to thousands of timeshare owners each week that have either had one or all of these issues with their timeshares. We understand your position. Willow Resort Solutions was started by timeshare owners for timeshare owners. This is why we exist. Get in touch today to see what we can do to help with your timeshare. There's a good chance that you qualify for our Timeshare Exit Services. Willow Resort Solutions. Vacation ownership made simple.